what, guys? I think this video is gonna be disgustingly amazing. Girl farts. Girls can't stop farting compilation. Oh my god, why I'm doing this?
I went to the movies and like that was her ass. What was that?
Oh my god.
I don't know. What did you just do? I didn't hear anything. Gross.
I hope nobody else is in here.
Why? Why are you doing that?
You farted and it smells like some old lady perfume in your fart.
Me.
Ew.
No.
When you get cold out.
I don't know how to end it. Wait. Yeah, I was like, no, I have not. No!
Oh, you missed it.
I heard it. I
heard
felt
it?
the wind on my leg.
Just saying. But that's.
Je suis vraiment poignée. Oh non! Oh non!
I can't.
Oh my god. Open the windows!
Straight wall. I think I might shit on this angle. Go to the bathroom. Stop. Oh.
Oh my god. I imagine the smell of that one.
Braylon, come on. No. Sorry. Continue back and forth through all. Where's your phone, Abby?
Probably the whistling.
Sorry. Okay.
Should have got you a phone case.
No, surrounding the.
It is so weird. We're not used to seeing girls. Girls fart, guys, by the way. But it's so weird seeing it, though.
You know, the Asian hate. Yes. What has happened? That shit stinks.
How are you saying it stinks and it's been out of my ass for 0.2 seconds?
If that fart blows my way,
Okay, you have.
I'm switching sides with
Don't
Chris.
say it stinks if you haven't even inhaled
You're
yet.
gonna put me over there?
That chlorophyll is not working.
Alto bullying, boludo. Uy, la
No. Mirarle el orto a la Miguelito.
en particular.
Ay, Romina, hija de puta, boludo.
Para un pedo. Nada, no tengo amigos.
She farting.
Hey! Non! Cali, sérieux! Non, donc, je décolle d'ici. Caro, gars, je change de pied ta meilleure amie.
Fait que bye.
Pour faire du sport.
That can be a sound
T'as pas de
effect.
trompette, c'était un vrai. Lucas, hein, c'était un hostie de.
Like famous for farting?
Ok. Ceci étant dit, bienvenue. On va avoir du plaisir.
Bisous, bisous. Gossip girl.
Oh!
Ew.
Ok, on finit sur un pet. En fait, moi, ce qui me buzz, c'est qu'on est tellement... Ce qui me buzz, c'est qu'on est tellement habitués de partager nos vies sur les réseaux sociaux.
We're heading out, guys.
I'm not ignoring it at this point.
Which is interesting. You? I still understand you.
But are we... I didn't know I Stinker.
Things like shit.
Guys, there was a third girl on the toilet, literally shitting. I mean, like, what the hell? How are you even allowed to record that?
Alright, hallelujah.
It fucking smells like shit. Okay, bye.
Lucy Hale.
Olivia O'Brien. Yeah, are you gonna put that in the vlog?
I don't know, it's up to Rosie.
And I'm gonna go on your vlog and comment the timestamp where like you fart. You should title the vlog "My First Time Farting on Camera."
I fart on camera so often.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never seen you.
I pooped on camera, I peed on camera, why?
Excuse me? Where is that content? Where can we see? Actually, why? We don't want to see that. How is that even allowed on YouTube? Unless it's not on YouTube.
Position du film endormi. Ah, je dois péter quand je fais ça, c'est atroce. Plus jamais je fais la position du film endormi, sinon. Oh, arrête, t'es dégueulasse! Qu'est-ce que ma chaîne YouTube est en train de devenir?
Is it a booty house? Tag. Ja, wenn du dich die ganze Zeit bewegst, sieht man dein Po nicht.
Kurz bitte nicht. Ich hab grad gepupst. Oh ne. Du. Oh. Nein, ich hab nichts gerochen, aber deinem Popo würde ich vielleicht eine 6 geben.
Like, literally, the silent ones are the deadliest, you guys. And I did not hear that one. Mm-hmm.
Oh, du.
Pilha. Não sei pra quê. Peidei.
Soon.
Why do they act so like the thing is that they're either like awkwardly laughing or like they think they're cute. Like no, just farted. That is not cute. Don't act all innocent. We all know what you did, and you know what you did as well.
Hey, what is this?
No, you fucking did. You're gonna fart on no, don't.
Ah, there we go.
Alright, guys.
Why I have my... Oop, I farted. Which is why I have my Streamlab.
What is with her hair? I mean, the farts. All right. We were dealing with them, but what is with that hair, though? Why am I so disgusted? It should be natural. It should be totally normal.
Trop envie de péter là.
Non.
Pourquoi vers moi, vers Dunia?
When you're so cute and something so nasty comes out of you.
C'était un petit, il va pas puer.
Ils m'ont mis.
That was a lousy one.
Dégueulasse, tu pètes ta table.
On est lancé.
Why is it always like Brazilian girls?
Not.
Open the window, please.
I think
It smells like safari.
it smells like safari. Ah.
Oh, that's cute.
Smells like.
Bro.
Melanie. That wasn't me.
That was her farting, that was not me.
I feel like a little kid.
Damn!
Oh, that's so bad.
It's so bad.
I'm next to you.
How does it smell?
Like eggs.
Oh my god, it smells like eggs.
Oh my gosh, I farted and it smells like death. Okay, one thing. So, wow, that was a wet one. That's just me.
She's like giving 0 F's about it. How can you have that attitude? How?
Ja, ajde, brate, molim te. Nemoj da radiš to, nemoj to da radiš, sramota je, brate, da prdiš. Bez zebancije ti kažeš.
Anything else to add, Corinna?
Oh my god, I understood everything they were saying. This is like from a Balkan TV show where they recorded 24 hours. I think it was the one on the farm. But either way, like, I don't watch these shows. I hate these shows. But she was farting and totally like blaming him for it, and he was so mad about it. It's like, that's not cool, that's not classy, and it's not at all. Especially like if you're in a TV show like this. What the hell are you doing?
Anything else to add, Corinna? Corinna, did you just fart? Dude, that was you. Oh my god.
That's like 5 times a day.
We are through. I am no longer third wheeling with you guys ever again. Came in
Stop. It doesn't even smell. It smells like...
Well, you got
Oh my god. Your entire...
I feel like I will take a suitcase.
Or did we just hit me fart? I'm disgusting. Doesn't it? Okay.
No, don't worry. All girls fart.
Oh, I need to fart.
What's that? What's that?
I hope you heard that.
Why do you
I'm
hope
vile. I said this was a realistic 24 hours of Misha, and it would not be realistic if she didn't fart.
I mean,
I think I just needed to fart. Like, there's so many air stuck in my stomach. And I think also because in the morning it was a good weather.
Hold on! That was a fart? Wait, really? That was a fart? That was like not a train or a horse or someone knocking like FBI on your door. That was a fart. Like staircase kind of fart. Okay.
That's my
those wet ones.
That's how nervous I am for you.
Cut the camera off.
That's how nervous I am.
Like this video if I just farted.
Oh!
No.
Wet. Dude, these girls fart the whole time.
I gotta say about them. Nacho!
Yeah. I just farted.
Yeah, we know. We can hear it.
I have to fart.
We can't smell it, but we can hear it. And when I say maybe because I kind of have a feeling I'm smelling it. It's not my fart though.
In the background. Ew.
You work, girl.
Ew.
You're fucking disgusting. Oh, you're nasty.
So, natural guesses.
Crazy amounts of money on jewelry. Yeah. Alyssa, come on.
I'm sorry,
dude.
I'm so gassy.
Ew, Alyssa.
I'm sorry.
Ew. It was a good movie. One of my homies back home. Gonna go see that. Gonna get prices. Alyssa, Jesus f***ing Christ, can you keep your bodily functions inside for the 5 minutes I'm vlogging, please?
Sorry.
Jesus.
Excuse me. I have
so
to
nasty, but so
Look at my butt in the mirror.
Alright guys, oh my god, probably failed. Have you farted once while watching this video? If you did, make sure to leave a like. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like it and subscribe for more. See you tomorrow. Bye.